This is a technical analysis video for Cardano ADA. Before I begin with ADA, I just want to go over the Bitcoin dominance chart. My premise is that the Bitcoin dominance is going to move lower, meaning that Bitcoin will continue to make higher highs and higher lows as far as the price is concerned, but the dominance of Bitcoin in the crypto market will go down. And the implications of the Bitcoin dominance going down is that altcoins will begin to outperform Bitcoin. And there is a rhythm to that. Usually it is the major cryptos, the top 10 cryptos that begin to outperform Bitcoin. After that, the mid caps and the low caps. Is the chart, do we have a confirmation that the Bitcoin dominance is going down 100%? No, but we do have some early indications of a top. You can see the Bitcoin's price action is encountering resistance at the 54% mark. It also lost the upward sloping trend line, and maybe now the BTCD chart will retest this trend line and move a bit lower, and it presents us with an opportunity in the altcoin market. Now, ADA presents an opportunity. But before I begin, let me address the elephant in the room. The elephant in the room is that ADA is considered as a stable coin, or maybe not a high performer, but nothing could be further from the truth. If we judge ADA by its past performance, and this is the only metric that we have in technical analysis, then ADA was a very good performer. In the previous bull market, ADA made more than 170x to the upside. In the previous bull market before that, it made 73x to the upside. And I am expecting ADA to perform just as well in this bull market. Maybe not a 100x coin, but the $4-5 mark is more than possible for ADA, and possibly even more. Now, on the daily chart, I think that we have a confirmation that the low is in. Once ADA moved above the 46-cent mark, and it is holding it as support right now, I think that it confirms a trend change for ADA. In the past almost 2 months, ADA made more than 180% price appreciation. Following that, a correction of 36%. The proportions between the uptrend and the correction are good. They can support further price increase, and its price action in the last few days is indicative of high demand and of strength. The previous lower high was at 52, and now ADA is above 52. I think that this is the time to take a long trade on ADA. The trigger for a long trade would be a retest of the 52K level as support. We didn't get a retest yet. If the retest will be successful, then I think that ADA is about to begin a new major impulse to the upside, and my target is the 1.618 fib retracement at $1.15. But as I said, the long-term potential for ADA is a lot more than that. I think, yes, it could be possibly a 10x trade long-term. Again, I'm reiterating the fact that it's a long-term because I think that this trade fits best with a spot trade instead of a leveraged trade, because if you take a leveraged trade, the funding fees will eat into your profits. The nearest resistance for ADA is the 68 mark. Following that, it does have a supply zone, excuse me, between 80 cents to 90 cents. We have the $1 level as resistance, as a psychological number, and the 1.272 fib extension. Following that, my target is between the 1.618 fib extension and $1.25, which is resistance. Uh, Overall, the risk to reward ratio in this trade is almost 1 to 20. And if you have a long-term inclination, you could do a lot more with ADA. I presented this whole idea as a trading view idea yesterday, and the links are in the description box. You can look it over, and I wanted to share it with you guys here as well. That's all I have for you on Cardano, ticker ADA. I hope it helps, and I will see you in the next video.